Greetings to all. Welcome to the Department of Chemistry, St. Paul's College, Kalamashiri. St. Paul's College, Kalamashiri is affiliated to MG University, Kottayam, and the undergraduate course offered by the department is BSc Industrial Chemistry Model 2, which follows CBCS regulation from 2017 admission onwards. This is actually a 6-semester course and is offered in accordance to UGC norms. The whole program is continuously evaluated both internally as well as externally, and a student should have a minimum of 75% attendance in order to register for the university exam. The various opportunities a student has after completing this course are higher studies or getting placed in various companies like petrochemical companies, agrochemical companies, pharmaceutical companies, etc. The major program outcomes are 1. To demonstrate, solve, and an understanding of major concepts in all disciplines of chemistry. 2. To solve the problem and also think methodically, independently, and draw a logical conclusion. 3. To find out the green route for chemical reaction for sustainable development. 4. To inculcate the scientific temperament in students and outside the scientific community. 5. To create an awareness of the impact of chemistry on environment, society, and development outside the scientific community. The program specific outcomes can be listed as 1. To gain the knowledge in all basic areas in chemistry through theory and practicals. 2. To understand good laboratory practices and safety. 3. To understand the interdisciplinary nature of chemistry and to be aware of emerging fields in science. 4. To develop research-oriented skills. And 5. To create an awareness to handle the sophisticated instruments and equipments. The total credit for the course is 120, which can be split as 24 for common courses, 93 for chemistry, vocational subjects, and mathematics, and the remaining 3 credits goes for open.
In this video, I am going to present before you the syllabus of Model 2 BSc Industrial Chemistry. Semester 1. It consists of 7 papers, out of which we have 5 theory papers and 2 practical papers. There are 2 language papers, 1 core theory paper, 1 core practical paper, 1 vocational theory paper, and 1 vocational practical paper, along with the complementary mathematics paper. The same pattern is followed in the semester 2 also. 7 papers, out of which we have 5 theory papers and 2 practical papers. 2 language papers, 1 core theory paper, core practical paper, vocational theory paper, vocational practical paper, along with the complementary mathematics paper. Now coming to semester 3, we have 8 papers, 1 language paper, 1 core theory paper, core practical paper, complementary mathematics paper with 2 vocational theory paper and 2 vocational practical paper. The same pattern is followed in the semester 4 also. 8 papers, 1 language paper, 1 core theory paper, 1 core practical paper, complementary mathematics paper, along with 2 vocational theory paper and 2 vocational practical paper. Now coming to semester 5, we have 5 theory papers and 3 practical papers. Now we are offering environmental studies and human rights in semester 5, and we are also offering an open course, that is chemistry in everyday life, in semester 5. Now coming to semester 6, we are having 5 theory papers and 4 practical papers. Along with this, the students also have to undergo a project, industrial visit, and a comprehensive viva voce at the end of the semester. There is also an on-the-job training provided for the students. So this is all about the syllabus of BSc Industrial Chemistry Model 2. Thank you.